hear heart pound. I needed something somewhere just to make me feel alive. No, I cannot do that too hard. Just take me somewhere. Yeah, I take anything you got. Stay out. So long as no tomorrow, 'cause reality's boring. Miss the train home.
Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to another I Tell Eats and Treats video where we prioritize health and longevity. I'm starting my day off today with a mixture of calendula, fennel seeds, red raspberry leaf, and green tea because I just learned about the many benefits of using green tea. I have been using green tea hair rinses and it has been making my hair super duper shiny. As cute as this is a wig. I have told myself that I wanted to start growing my natural hair, like unlike anything I've ever seen before. I want to grow it down to my body. I want my hair to be super long, and I realized that braids were like doing more harm than good. So I'm like, okay, if I want to twist up my hair and let it breathe, I guess I'll just wear a wig or something, because braids are not helping. Braids have kept my hair at the same length for like 7 years. If my voice does sound crusty, please ignore it. I woke up like not too long ago and I'm having my rising tea. It actually tastes really good. Green tea rinses have been making my hair super duper shiny and healthy, and actually really helps against shedding. And green tea is also really amazing for you on the inside of your body as well. It helps with blood flow. It might help to boost your metabolism, which in return that might help you lose weight. It has lots of antioxidants and is extremely anti-inflammatory. It might help to reduce high blood pressure, and it straight up tastes amazing. These 3 herbs right here have amazing health benefits, but specifically for women, red raspberry leaf is so incredible for menstrual cramps and menopause symptoms as well. Fennel seed may also help with menstrual cramps, but also aid in digestion. So I love to drink this first thing in the rising to help prepare my stomach for what I'm gonna eat later on in the day. All of the recipes in this video will be focusing on boosting the body's immunity, especially if you are in the northern hemisphere. Right now we are experiencing winter in countries like the USA, Canada, most European countries, so it's gonna cool real soon. It's really important to boost our immunity with anti-inflammatory things, with high vitamin C items. If you're interested in more anti-inflammatory and immune boosted recipes, you can check out either my juicing and herbal tea recipe ebooks or my fully raw vegan ebooks. With that being said, let's go ahead and continue with the rest of the video. So today I have some really exciting news to share with you all. Coovings is currently having their biggest sale of the year, their Black Friday sale. The juicer that I'm using in this video, as well as all my other videos, are currently 30% off. That is over $200, almost $300 off. My favorite juicer ever, the Coovings Auto 10 Plus. This juicer is so incredible because it can make sorbets, nut milks, smoothies, and of course cold pressed juices. I've used it to do so many things, and I have been using Coovings products for the past couple of years now. They never fail to make high quality items. Like honestly guys, I am so in love with all their products, and this sale is going to be their biggest sale of the year. If you've ever wanted a Coovings juicer or blender, now is the time to get it. The sale ends in 7 days, and no other time of the year does Coovings offer such a huge sale for so much money off. If you're interested, you can use code ITELLEAT30 and link in description box to get this shipped to your house right away. Before I start off my day with anything heavier like bread or anything like that, I'm gonna have some seaweed and a kiwi. Did you know that one kiwi has more vitamin C than a singular orange, and it has nearly all the amount of vitamin C that we need in a day? This is a golden kiwi. It's so delicious. I just cut it in half and eat it with a spoon. Seaweed is absolutely incredible. It has so many health benefits and it tastes delicious. So I'm gonna eat this and it'll hold me over for a few minutes, and then I'll go ahead and prepare my breakfast.
You gonna like this.
So now we're actually going to be making another juice. I had gotten a nice beautiful soursop the other day and I wanted to turn it into a juice. So if you're from the Caribbean or other tropical parts of the world, you know soursop tastes good and it is so good for you. It has so many properties. It's anti-cancer. The soursop leaves are incredible as well. And we're going to be making this into a tonic today, also using the Coovings out of 10 plus. Same juicer. I'm going to never change it or nothing. What I also love about this juicer is that I can remove the extended parts, so I can use it in the small parts or the big parts. As mentioned before, if you're interested, go ahead and use code ITALEATS30 and link in the description box for 30% off. And don't forget, this is the biggest sale of the year.
Even El Salvador, century
Alright, so now we're gonna go ahead and make a white bean dip for breakfast. Even though it is super late, I had a lot of work to do. So I'm gonna be making white beans. These are very nutritious. These specific white beans are great northern beans. They have been soaked overnight and cooked, so they're supposed to be even better at aiding in digestion, as soaking them overnight really helps to release phytic acid, which is something that causes a lot of bloating and indigestion when eating beans. Great northern beans are also an extremely great source of fiber, of course, but as well as magnesium, and they're also rich in antioxidants. So let's go ahead and make this. The recipe will be on italeatsandtreats.com. I will be adding in a couple extra ingredients just because I want to, so you can go ahead and follow the recipe on the website and adjust as you see. So I was shopping at Aldi the other day, and this specific brand of bread basically just had flour, water, sugar, and yeast as bread ingredients. And here in the United States, so much bread has wholly put unnecessary ingredients and crazy chemicals, obviously chemicals that are not good for you. If you have Aldi nearby you, go ahead and get this sourdough bread. It tastes delicious and has so many good ingredients. Okay, besties, we are out, so it's time to make more of my all-time favorite plant-based milk. It's a mixture of cashews, almonds, and Brazil nuts. It's a recipe by Nama, and would you believe it, Nama also currently having their biggest sale of the year. The Black Friday Cyber Monday sale starts and ends in the next few days. You can use code Tiffany20 for 20% off. As mentioned before, this is the cheapest time to purchase all of their products, but especially the Nama M1 plant-based milk maker. If you've watched my videos, you know I love this thing. I love this thing. It makes my plant-based milk so easy. It's absolutely delicious, and it makes them healthy and incredible. I love making my daily matcha for one of several reasons. I love my matcha stand. It gives me so much pride and happiness to know that I was in charge of building something so girly and cute and pink. Also, matcha has a whole heap of health benefits. It is antioxidant rich. It's delicious. It has caffeine, but it's a healthier caffeine compared to coffee. You don't get any jitters or anything like that. And I feel very calm, and my anxiety feels very reduced when I'm consuming my matcha. So this is something that I love to have every day with my homemade milk. It's a healthy, creamy, and delicious, as well as nutritious drink that finds its way into my daily routine. So I'm back from the gym, and that workout was absolutely phenomenal. Chef's kiss. So now I'm gonna go ahead and make myself a recovery smoothie with some beet powder, some hemp seeds, whole heap of fruit, some dairy-free yogurt, and I'm gonna go ahead and prep my next meal of the day, pop it in the oven, and continue on with my work. Alright, so let's go ahead and focus on lunch, or the second or whatever meal of the day. We're gonna be making a delicious curry oven roasted dish. We're gonna be roasting potatoes. The rest of those white beans, carrots, and some Jamaican curry powder. You can use turmeric if you have it more available to you, but Jamaican curry powder just tastes good, and it's way more seasoned than regular turmeric. This was super delicious and super easy to make, and I paired it on top of a bed of salad, and I actually poured in a little tip of water and a coconut aminos into the bean dip to make it into a nice dressing. This was so easy to make, so healthy, and so immune boosting and anti-inflammatory. Of course, don't forget to add black pepper to activate the curcumin in the turmeric and the curry powder.